If you can't enable HVCI, memory integrity and Valorant is showing restriction error, you are not banned. Your Windows security setting is off or blocked. These fixes come from the most upvoted Reddit threads and real users' comments. First, try the simple toggle. Press Windows key and type core isolation, open it, find memory integrity, turn it on and restart your PC. If it turns on, your problem is solved. If the toggle is missing or not working, then your BIOS virtualization is off. Restart your PC and go into BIOS. If you have Intel, enable VTX. If you have AMD, enable SVM mode. Save and exit. Then come back to Windows and turn on memory integrity. This is the first fix users reported. Now, if it says incompatible drivers, click on review drivers. Many users see files like ene.sys or old drivers. You need to remove them, open device manager or uninstall related software, then restart and try again. Advanced fix users are using. Open PowerShell as admin, type command to remove the driver. After removing it, memory integrity will turn on. Last option if nothing works. Press Windows plus R and type regedit. Go to device guard folder and find hypervisor enforced code integrity, set value to 1 and restart. Try this one by one and memory integrity should turn on successfully. Bye bye.